What are the first concrete steps that Konecranes is making in this very interesting direction?
Well, in the first place, we would like to investigate what are the real problems. This we plan to investigate together with the customers. We have to see where those maintenance issues are. After that, we will investigate the data that are present in the TRUCONNECT database. We have about 7 years of data. Then using all this data, we try to find all the correlations and matching to the problems that we already stated. And finally, we will create the model, the digital twin, that can be used, those patterns, to predict the future.
Has the event today, the Port Solutions Future in the Making event, has it fulfilled your expectations?
Yes, it was an excellent event. I really liked that the fact that I could meet with Konecranes people, with equipment people. I'm coming from more simulation and emulation world, but it opens a possibility to work together for future products.